Hey guys, it's Peachy. Today we're going to be making these super easy 5-minute polymer clay charms. They're like little unicorn poop things, or poopicorns as I like to call them. And I think they're pretty stinking cute, but if you're not into poops, you could totally make these into ice cream cones too. Just add a little cone at the bottom. I'm using some polymer clay that I got from the dollar store, and they're actually pretty decent quality, but you can use whatever brands you like, and you can choose whichever colors you like. I'm going to be using blue, purple, and pink. I really love cotton candy colors. To get a nice gradient effect, I like to press the ends together and roll them. Then I overlap them again and keep rolling. Sometimes I also twist the clay together to mix the two colors. So after you have a nice long roll of clay, you can start rolling it into the shape of a turd. And when you get to the top, you can twist the end of it to give it a nice swirly swirl. Don't forget to chop off the extra and pat it into a nice blob shape. So it's already looking pretty magical, but we're going to add a small tiny unicorn horn by twisting 2 pieces of clay together. And I just like to stick it directly on the clay, but it's probably more secure to bake the horn separately and attach with super glue. If you want to make these into charms, you'll need some eye pins. I'm trimming my pins because they're a little bit too long for my poops. And to make the eyes, roll out some small black dots and press it directly into the poop. I made some different color variations of this. I really like this rainbow one. After you're done, just pop them into the oven and bake them according to instructions on your clay package. Use a small black pen to draw cute mouths. I made all of mine smiling, but I think I should have tried some different expressions too. And ta-da! You have a cute unicorn poop charm. You can attach some jump rings to make them into keychains, but you will also need a keychain ring. Use your pliers to open the jump rings to connect the poop charm to the keychain ring. Thank you guys so much for watching this unicorn poop tutorial. If you give this a try, please send it to me on Instagram. And be sure to check out my other videos for more fun clay projects. I'll see you in my next video. Peace!